Hey everybody, congratulations on getting your LunchEAZE Lite. Today, we're going to walk through how to use this user interface and what each of these menu items mean for your LunchEAZE. To cycle through these menu items, you can press the enter button. Every time you press the enter button, it's going to go to the next menu item. To edit one of these menu settings, you're going to press and hold this enter button. So let's go ahead and get started. This first icon is a green hourglass. That is your mealtime setting. This setting means at this time, your food will be hot and ready to consume. When I press and hold this enter button, you can see that this light begins flashing. And I can use up and down arrows to adjust what time my meal will be ready to consume. Once I've selected a time, I can go ahead and press enter and save those settings. To go to the next menu item, I'm going to go ahead and press the enter button again. Now I've moved to the yellow clock icon. This yellow clock is the current time of day. Again, if you want to edit this option, you can press and hold the enter button. And you'll see again, this menu item begins to flash. That means I'm currently setting the time of day. Make sure you set this time of day correctly. And pay close attention to AM and PM. To go between AM and PM for any of the menu items, you just have to pass 12 o'clock. And it'll automatically cycle between AM and PM. I'm going to go ahead and go back and set the current time of day. Press enter to save those settings. I press enter again. I'm going to reach the hot plate max temperature setting. Again, I can hold enter, wait for this light to begin flashing, and now I can set the hot plate temperature. LunchEAZE Lite can be set anywhere between 220 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So go ahead and select a temperature that you prefer. Press enter to save that setting. The next menu item is heat now. If you press enter now and hold enter, the device will begin heating up immediately. Most food takes about 1 to 2 hours to heat up thoroughly, so we always recommend using the automatic timer features. If you wait long enough time, the menu will always recycle back to the main menu item of the mealtime. The last menu icon is a battery icon, and that shows the current battery level. Right now I'm at 47% battery. And that's it. That's how you use the menu and navigate through all of the options available to you with your LunchEAZE Lite. In the next part of the video, we'll walk you through exactly how to set up your device properly for the first time. When you turn it on for the first time, it's going to ask you to set the current time of day. So I'm going to go ahead and use the up and down arrows to set what time it is right now. Going backwards for PM. Right now it's about 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and press the enter button to save that setting. So now to operate your LunchEAZE Lite, we're going to have to cycle through its menu options. To do that, you press the enter button to cycle through all the available menu items. The first thing we're going to need to do now is set our mealtime. That's this green hourglass symbol. When you reach a menu item, to edit that setting, you have to press and hold the enter button. You'll see that icon start to flash. Now, just like the previous setting, I can use the up and down arrows to set this setting. This is my mealtime. I know that I'm going to be eating tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and set my mealtime for my lunchtime tomorrow at work. Once I'm there, I can press enter to save that setting. And there we go. Your LunchEAZE Lite is automatically going to heat up before 11:30 so that your meal is hot and ready right when you wanted it.